Lion Sage Stories for Kids. Chapter 7 Willpower.
We can learn much from nature, little mouse. Look at that butterfly. He started as a caterpillar, wove his cocoon, and now is transformed into a butterfly. He will migrate to South America. Imagine that delicate creature flying almost 5,000. That takes willpower. For our journey within, we also need lots of energy to push us forward, day after day, year after year. We need a strong willpower. Let's learn about that. Look at that mother bird in the tree. Day and night she looks after the needs of her chick. That's not an easy job, but she has the determination to do it. That is called willpower. It is what allows us in meditation to concentrate, to focus our energies, and not be distracted. This means that if you decide to do something, you do it. You finish everything you begin. Always do a little more than you think you can. If you face a challenge, find a way to overcome it. This strengthens your will. Discover the will within you. It is very important. Willpower is the fuel that carries awareness through all areas of the mind. Will is that spirit, that life force that lets you achieve inner and outer goals. Nothing is impossible when you know how to use your unlimited power of will. You have all the willpower you need to finish any project that you have ever started, to do good things and handle your daily life in a positive and happy way. You just have to use your will. With a strong will, you could even climb the highest mountain on earth. Willpower is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. If you are collecting sunflower seeds all day, the body gets tired. You want to quit and go home. But if you quit, you and your friends will go hungry. So you keep working until you have enough for dinner.
That mouse has a strong will to get things done.
One way to discover your willpower is to feel the energy in your spine. It is coming from the source of life itself. When you want to feel invincible, go into your spine. Feel the power flowing out from the spine to all parts of the body. Use that power and you can achieve anything. This subtle energy in your spine is actually the beautiful, pure intelligence of your soul, the being of light that is you. This inner being has been maturing through many different lives. The great ones all have a strong willpower. They are not stopped by obstacles. They are not discouraged. They never quit. I can see you understand the importance of willpower, little mouse. If you want to climb a mountain or reach the guru's grace, you have to be strong. Great things in life require effort, and effort is another way to say willpower. The first challenge when we begin to meditate is controlling our breathing. Proper breathing is very important in yoga. It helps control awareness. Until you learn that, your mind will run here and there. A bug might fly by, or you could feel hungry, or your iPhone could ring, and you will forget your meditation. All of this is natural, but if you keep breathing properly and using your willpower to bring awareness back to your meditation, you will succeed. You will overcome all distractions and find peace within. Now, little mouse, do like the yogis do. Hold the right nostril closed with your right thumb and breathe in on the left. Then hold the left nostril closed with your ring finger and breathe out through the right nostril. Continue this for 2 minutes to gain control of your breath.
Mystic Mouse discovers that the greatest tool for the practice of yoga is right within himself. Willpower. Leon Sage explains that to use the will is to direct all energies toward one point. And, he says, this can be done all day long in all that we do, not just when we are meditating. By using willpower in our all-day life, he says, we are making ourselves stronger and we are able to accomplish more things. Willpower is like a muscle that needs exercise. The more we use it, the more willpower we have. Lion Sage is quick to caution that yoga's not easy, because distraction is a real challenge for everyone who tries to quiet the mind. He teaches his furry friend how to breathe in a controlled way, like the yogis of India. With all of this new knowledge, Mystic Mouse is more eager than ever to face tomorrow.
Hit the like button, subscribe, and notification bell